Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
Oh, I just got home from work, and there's smoke and flames coming out of the side of my house.
You're listening to a simulated 911 call. The job of a dispatcher can be stressful, fast-paced, also rewarding. And there's a constant need for those who can do this job.
We have a shortage of dispatchers, so we started doing our homework, and we started working with local agencies, and we figured out that they all need dispatchers.
Alex Gutierrez is with the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools Regional Occupational Program. He and others came up with a way to address the shortage by developing a mobile dispatch training trailer.
We partnered with local agencies. It started actually with Madera County Sheriff, and then it branched off to Fresno County Sheriff and then Fresno PD.
They not only developed a mobile training center, but built a curriculum that's taught in classrooms like Kerman High School's Criminal Justice Pathway.
How many of you guys called 911 before in the past?
A member of the Fresno County Sheriff's Office, who is also an instructor at the Dispatcher Academy at Fresno City College, makes sure students are learning what they need to enter the program.
We work on information systems. They have to understand that they're not just taking a call and talking to one person. They have to multitask, take the call, answer questions, send it out.
This prepares students for the hours they spend in training at the mobile dispatch trailer. The unit spends 2 weeks at each high school where students receive 20 hours of training. It includes working with a simulator that replicates real live 911 calls.
What kind of car was it? How many people were inside the car?
They are seated next to each other and have to block out the surrounding noise and focus on getting the right information.
There's like gunshots and like the car accidents. Like it's something that you have to handle like by yourself and try to help the person that's over the phone while they're in the incident.
The trailer will serve students in Fresno, Madera, and Mariposa counties, preparing students for the academy at Fresno City College and careers as a dispatcher.
Dispatch is one of those career fields that you can work at 18 years old. So introducing them at a 16, 17-year-old range is important if we want them looking for these jobs after high school.
For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.